Hello family, I trust you are okay. In this video I'm just going to share this super quick rosemary mint pizza sauce with you, so I hope you stay tuned to see how I make it. Here I've got medium onion and a can of tomato, which I am going to blend together. And here to my pan preheated, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to let that heat up, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my diced onions. I've got the white and red onions here. I fried that for 1 minute and now I'm adding my diced garlic. And I'm going to fry that as well for another minute. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped rosemary and mint. And I'm going to let that fry for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to add some crushed chilies to that. And my blended onion and tomato. So I'm giving that a beautiful stir to make sure it's well combined and incorporated. Then I'm going to add some salt and all-purpose seasoning to taste. So I'm just adding my salt and my pepper seasoning, and of course some black pepper. So I'm just giving that a stir again to make sure it's incorporated. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover and let this cook on a medium-low for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is how it is looking. This is simple, and if you want to make your own pizza at home, then this is for you. There are so many ways of making your pizza sauce, and this is just one of them. So I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to try it. If you do like what you're seeing, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell around the corner so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching.